Hi, in this video we are going to show how we can convert a PPT file to a PDF. So I have opened this slide where I am working. So there's like 15 slides are there, and now I will change all these slides to the PPT file. So to do that, I will click on the file and hit on the save as. Here again I have to click on the browse and give the path where I want to save it. So I will put on the desktop, and I'll put a name as a PPT to PDF file. Okay, and now do not click on the save button, click on the save type and choose as a power PPT, so PDF. Click on the PDF and hit on the save. So as soon as you click on here, it is saving. So press the escape key to cancel the operation. So do not press on the cancel. It will take some time because I have 15 slides to be converted. So yeah, it got converted, and I can see the all these 15 slide in the PDF format. So if you see, all these got created in the PDF file. If I click on close this and go to our desktop and see, PPT to PDF file got created. If you see the extension of this file into property, so this is the .pdf file. So hope you understand how we can convert a PPT file to the PDF. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.